Welcome to our video guide for hospitality businesses using Docket. Today, we're focusing on the beverage revenue sections of the USALI report in Docket. Beverage revenue includes all sales of alcoholic beverages for consumption by guests. Venue beverage revenue. This category includes the sale of beverages at various dining spots within the property, like restaurants, lounges, bars, pool areas, and golf courses. It also covers takeout beverage sales, which are part of each venue's overall business. However, sales in banquet rooms, guest rooms, and group events outside the property do not fall under this category. Let's talk about in-room dining beverage revenue. This includes all the drinks that are delivered directly to guests in their rooms. It's not just limited to the guest rooms, though. It also covers beverages delivered to other areas within or even outside the hotel, like nearby condominiums. It's important to note that if a group orders beverages through the banquet, conference, or catering department, and these are delivered to external locations, these sales are counted under banquet, conference, and catering beverage revenue. Now, focusing on banquet, conference, and catering beverage revenue. This includes all the drinks sold in a hotel's banquet rooms and at external group events. When we talk about banquet sales, we're referring to drinks sold to groups staying in the hotel's rooms. Catering sales, on the other hand, are for groups not staying overnight at the hotel. Additionally, any beverage service provided directly in guest rooms or suites by the hotel's banquet, conference, and catering team is also part of this revenue stream. Next up, we're looking at mini bar beverage revenue. This simply refers to the sales of packaged drinks, like bottles and cans, that are available in a hotel guest room's mini bar. Now, let's explore other beverage revenue. This category covers all the beverage sales that don't fit into the usual categories like venue, in-room dining, banquet/conference/catering, or mini bar. Basically, it's for all other drink sales happening at the property. Let's break down total beverage revenue. It's the total sum of all drink sales across the property. This includes revenue from venue sales, in-room dining, banquet and catering events, mini bar purchases, and all other beverage sales. Simply put, it's the combined total of all these different beverage revenue streams. Thank you for joining us in exploring the beverage revenue section of the USALI report. Remember, understanding these details is crucial for the effective financial management of your hospitality business.